In previous video, we learned about how the East India Company established their power. What are the battles between the companies? Two battles already we learned about, the Battle of Plassey and Battle of Buxar. How lastly the powers goes to East India Company. In this chapter, continue the second video, we are learning about the Tipu Sultan. Everybody know Tipu Sultan is known as a Tiger of Mysore. And that time, East India Company forced to them. That time, Tipu Sultan is not ready to give any concession or goods to British. That's why he was four wars between the British and Tipu Sultan. 4 Anglo-Mysore war. 2 in between Hyder Ali, first Anglo-Mysore war and second Anglo-Mysore war, and 3rd and 4th Anglo-Mysore war between Tipu Sultan. That time Tipu Sultan, in the 4th battle of Anglo-Mysore war, Tipu Sultan was killed by the British, and directly the territory goes to East India Company. They control the Mysore also. Now we'll come to that time again, the war with Marathas. We are seeing here 400th century, the Marathas after the Shivaji Maharaj. Marathas after the Shahu Maharaj weakers, and the powers goes to Peshwas. That time Marathas are very powerful in the different part of the country. That time war was broken, and that is Battle of Panipat, 3rd Battle of Panipat. At that time Marathas lost their powers, and again the gain of East India Company, that also goes to East India Company. Now we'll come to that East India Company policies are there. That time we are seeing how the British control the territories. First they have attacked the Bengal, and afterwards Mysore, and again in the eastern part of the country. And that time one country they conquered, now they gain the confidence to control, and now they have become a fully supreme authority gained from the people. Because of that time the policies was started. So many policies are there. Subsidy alliances. What is mean by subsidy alliances? The kings, they not give any extra. The arms also they have to surrender to British Empire. They're not kings. They give full kings, the rulers, they take all the powers. They're not giving any extra, and they not keep their own arms. For example, in subsidy alliances, subsidy force was there. Force means the king, they have to surrender all the arms. They not have anyone. They want to king. They conquer the different part of the country. They take the permission from the East India Company. They will give all the weapons and everything, and that time they fail to give, the land goes to British. How nice policy they made it, people. That time they are not able to give the arms and what are the things taken, that before they are going they have to give the territory half of to the handover to British, and they fail to give the tax or revenue, the land goes to British. This policy was introduced. Now that time that policy was introduced by Lord Wellesley. That time he was the Governor General in India. This subsidy alliances. Alliances means we are not giving anything. Subsidy means extra. We are giving. That should be stopped in between. And again for Para-Montesi. Para-Montesi is one policy was there, and that time Lord Hastings, 1813 to 1823. That time the supreme power goes to the company, and that time we are seeing people are not have any rights to declare. The full supreme authority. Yeah, what they are giving the order, everybody have listened. For example, Rani Kittur Chennamma. She suffered, and that time the battle between them, and they want to make that territory goes to under the Governor General. These are the policies they started. They control the areas. They control the revenues. They control the sources. Control the lands. And that land go to British. They're not paying the taxes. The land was transferred into British. East India Company. East India Company became a dominating in the throughout the India. Now we'll come that time. He introduced this policy. And next policy is the doctrine lapse. And that time Lord Dalhousie, 1848 to 1856. What is this doctrine lapse? Lapse means we not have anything. Means, for example, we keep our bank account. The bank means duration was there, 2019 to 2020. 1 year we have to keep our bank any deposit. In 21, 22, we not went, the amount goes to bank only. Why? Lapse. Why we not come in that particular? This is the what is here, it is not like that. Lapse means the doctrine lapse, those who are not have the male child. Clear, children? Those who are not have the male child, the property goes to British. They not have the male child, the property directly transfer into East India Company. The lapse was made. Means they not have. Means, for example, we are seeing here the people who is not have the male child, the emperor. That time, the directly after his death, he or she death, emperor, directly that all the properties, all the territory transfer into British. That time so many our people, they struggle to control a area, but they feel this policy means no one changed. No one changed the policies. Why? They are the supreme authorities. They are. And that time, these policies and most power, the area was fully, territory was conquered by the East India Company. That time we are not called as the British. East Company was ruling the areas. Governor General, each company, their companies, they have each Governor General will look after that area. What are the revenues comes, what are the, everything sources are there, these people only they have to use. And now after that, lastly, these are the policies they made. People are against, but they not listen. Everybody have listened. They not listen, they have to take their action against them. Now after that, setting up a new administration. That time, Warren Hastings in 1773 to 1785. He was the Governor General in that time. He started, when they conquering everything, they started policies. That time the territory was there, territory was increased. They increased, and that time they want to make the new set of administration. Before, without administrative, only company was look after the areas. What they have to do, one Governor General they have to. Now the Governor General was appointed, they have to look after territories, and they have to make the administrative very strong. That time administrative was started, the unit was started. Because of that, they not control the whole India. Now we are seeing, children, now our India was divided into states. Again states was divided into divisions. Division divided into, division is there. Again we divided into district, talukas. So many units we are seeing. That time Indian, that British emperor means Indian, they have to divide it into provinces. Presidency. Presidency, each presidency, one Governor General should be appointed. In that, three units they make. The British administrative, where they conquer, they have to make divide into three groups. One is Bengal, Madras, and Bombay. These three administrative. Now, for example, in our states, administrative office, we have the Mumbai is administrative. Everything. That time this type of administrative state started. And that time, these people, each Governor General have look after that area. Bengal, Madras, and Bombay. These are called as we call as the provinces. That time they called as a presidencies. And each supreme authority, who is having the supreme head from these administrative units, we are seeing here Governor General will be there. Governor General will be there. A Governor General will take the decision about the revenues, sources, taxes. According to him, they have to run their areas. Now we'll come to the next point. That time new system was remain. They not control everything. One person not control. We have to divide. Now also our India, the country was also divided. Units are there. Administratives also. Revenue department is different. Food and agriculture department is different. Like this judgment also they made that different. We are seeing in 1772 new system of justice. Judgment. We are seeing here that time the judgment was how that we have to give. Now High Court and Supreme Court we have. That time also they have the two courts are there. When they started in 1772, two courts were introduced. Criminal Court, that is known as a Fauzdari Adalat. Civil Court, Diwani Adalat. Now also we are seeing two courts in our, now also presently we have the two courts are there. They have to, according to them, they have to choose their, according to they have to give the record. And now, last we are seeing here, company army. Company, they introduced the new techniques. Uniform, they made it. That time our people are not understand. According to the ranks, that give the uniforms. And uniform, military strength was given. And again training was taking, drill also taking, discipline. These are the changes happened in the armies. Armies also we are seeing high post, low post and everything, and low post was given to our Indian people. Dominating here also, they dominating. Company also dominating. Children, we learn about the how the British, they came to India for trade and controlling the territories. Their policies, we learn about the policies, war, battles, and how the new set of administrative they started. This happened in this chapter, and we'll see in the next chapter what is happened in the next chapter. Thank you.